Hey plant lovers! Did you know that some tropical plants can actually thrive on your balcony, even if you don't live in the tropics? Yep, you can turn that small outdoor space into your very own mini jungle. Today, I'm sharing the 10 best tropical plants for balconies. They're beautiful, easy to care for, and totally Instagram-worthy. Let's dive right in. 1. Erica palm. Let's start with one of the most popular, the Erica palm. It's often called the butterfly palm because of its feathery fronds. It loves bright, indirect sunlight and adds instant tropical vibes. Just water it regularly, but don't let it sit in soggy soil. Fun fact, Erica palms are amazing natural air purifiers. 2. Hibiscus. Nothing says tropical like hibiscus blooms. Those big, bright flowers look like sunshine itself. Place it where it gets at least 5 hours of sunlight a day. If you keep feeding it with a potassium-rich fertilizer, it'll reward you with non-stop flowers almost all year round. 3. Bird of paradise. This plant looks straight out of a resort. The bird of paradise has those stunning orange and blue flowers shaped like a tropical bird in flight. It loves warmth and light, perfect for a sunny balcony corner. Pro tip: it might take a couple of years to bloom, but once it does, it's totally worth it. 4. Bougainvillea. If you like color, this one's for you. Bougainvillea comes in hot pink, purple, orange, and white. It's a sun lover and thrives in slightly dry soil. Once established, it hardly needs attention. Just make sure it gets plenty of light. That's when it really explodes with color. 5. Monstera deliciosa. The internet's favorite plant. Those big, holy leaves scream tropical style. Monsteras love bright, indirect light and humid air, so if your balcony gets morning light, it's perfect. You can even grow it up a moss pole for that lush jungle look. 6. Heliconia. Want to impress your neighbors? Try heliconia. It has bold red and yellow bracts that look like lobster claws. It loves warmth, humidity, and partial shade. If your balcony is shielded from harsh afternoon sun, this is your showstopper. 7. Croton. Crotons are all about color: reds, yellows, greens, oranges. They instantly brighten up a dull corner. Keep them in a warm, humid spot and water when the topsoil feels dry. A little morning sun helps bring out the best colors in those leaves. 8. Cordyline. This one's often used in Hawaiian gardens. Cordyline has striking pink or purple leaves that look like candy wrappers in the sunlight. It's quite hardy, but it does best with regular misting and filtered light. Avoid cold drafts. It's a true tropical diva. 9. Ferns. If your balcony is shady, go for ferns. They love moisture and indirect light. Mist them often and don't let the soil dry out. The Boston fern, in particular, looks amazing in hanging baskets. It adds softness and that rainforest feel. 10. Plumeria. Last but not least, the plumeria. You've probably seen its flowers in Hawaiian leis. It grows well in pots, loves full sun, and smells absolutely divine. It does go dormant in winter, so don't panic if it drops its leaves. Just wait for spring. It'll bounce back beautifully. The bonus tips. Before you rush to the nursery, here are a few quick tips. Use well-draining pots. Tropical plants hate sitting in water. Mimic humidity, mist the leaves or keep a small water tray nearby. Feed them monthly with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. And remember, tropical plants love warmth but not direct scorching heat. Oh, and one fun fact, studies show that tropical plants can reduce stress and even lower indoor temperatures slightly. So your balcony jungle could literally help you chill out. Alright, that's it for today's plant chat. Which of these tropical beauties would you love to have on your balcony? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your pics. And hey, If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow plant lovers. Until next time, keep your plants happy and your space green. See you soon.